We are at the dawn of the artificial intelligence age, where the call for responsible innovation echoes loud and clear. Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi took center stage at the Paris AI Action Summit, co-chaired with French President Emmanuel Macron. Addressing global leaders and tech pioneers, PM Modi emphasized the need for collective action to shape artificial intelligence for greater good.
Governance is also about ensuring access to all, especially in the global south. It is where the capabilities are most lacking, be it compute, power, talent, data, or the financial resources. Friends, AI can help transform millions of lives by improving health, education, agriculture, and so much more.
The summit highlighted a growing India-France cooperation in technology as the US and China vie for AI dominance. Following the summit, Modi and Macron attended the India-France CEO Forum to strengthen business ties. It is humans and not machines that must shape the future of AI. Highlighting AI's vast potential, Modi spoke of its transformative power across sectors. From healthcare to education and even agriculture, the possibilities are limitless. But with great power comes great responsibility.
We must build quality data sets free from biases. We must democratize technology and create people-centric applications. We must address concerns related to cybersecurity, disinformation, and deepfakes.
Sustainability too was the focus point at this summit. Modi addressed that AI's future must be powered by green energy. This highlights India's leadership through the International Solar Alliance with France. India's achievements in building digital public infrastructure for over 1.4 billion people at remarkably low costs are noteworthy. Modi highlighted India's national AI mission and the ongoing work on a large language model tailored to reflect the country's vast diversity. As global leaders, including US Vice President J.D. Vance, gathered around to listen to PM Modi, France spoke of collaborations.
मैं आप सभी को भारत की विकास यात्रा से जुड़ने के लिए आमंत्रित करता हूं। जब फ्रांस की फिनेस और भारत का स्केल मिलेगा, जब भारत का पेस और फ्रांस का प्रिसिजन मिलेगा, जब फ्रांस की टेक्नोलॉजी और भारत का टैलेंट मिलेगा, तो सिर्फ बिजनेस लैंडस्केप ही नहीं, ग्लोबल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन होगा।
With India and France leading the charge in responsible development of AI, a future is being shaped. A future powered by innovation, sustainability, and global collaboration.